Mair here with Mairbornhungry YouTube channel, guys. Today I have got you guys the vegetable biryani. It's gonna be a vegan recipe, a delicious recipe. These are all the vegetables and the spices. They're all gonna go in here. We will be ending up with the delicious recipe of our vegetable biryani right here in the pan. It's gonna take at least 35 to 40 minutes. So let's get straight into the video. Our famous pan, I'll add at least 10 spoons of vegetable oil. First thing is the cumin, half tablespoon. Cinnamon stick, 1 whole big stick. Half tablespoon of cloves goes in here. Half tablespoon of cumin, half tablespoon of cloves, and 1 big stick of cinnamon. We'll fry these guys for like 5 minutes. I'll add half tablespoon of carom seeds. They call it curry leaves. You can add, if you don't have these, you can add bay leaves in there as well. So I'll add at least 4 or 5 of these guys in here. This is our fajita mix. So we have red bell pepper, we have green bell pepper, and we have onion. They're already chopped up. If you guys don't get it from the market, just get an onion, white onion, and you have to add it in here. You'll add a little bit of green and a little bit of red bell peppers. So at this point, guys, we are making a paste. Then we will be adding our vegetables in here. Perfect, right? 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. The garlic goes in here. Our delicious vegetable biryani is getting ready. This is how I used to make, and I'm strongly suggest if you guys are really craving the vegetable vegan biryani, follow this recipe. At this point, we will saute at least for 5 minutes all of the ingredients what we have so far. We have onion, we have bell pepper, garlic, and we have the dry ingredients as well. So it's going to take at least 5 minutes. I have a tomato sauce. You can use fresh tomatoes, as I said, but I want to make the recipe easy. You know, we have to do easy ways. At least half of the can. We'll give it a mix. We are cooking the best vegetable biryani right here. Here is our 2 medium-sized potatoes. So that's how it is, and we'll be adding it right here. Because potatoes normally take a little longer to get softer, so we are adding potato is the first thing in our pan. Look at the red, beautiful curry, right? Biryani has to be a little bit spicy. This is an Indian recipe. We have to go with the flavor. Crushed red chili powder, half tablespoon. You can get a biryani masala, or you can get allspice. Allspice has 5 ingredients. Biryani masala has more than 5 ingredients. I'll suggest get the biryani masala. We'll add at least 2 tablespoons of biryani masala. So the biryani masala has cardamom in here. Wow, it's aromatic. Now it's time. We just need to add more vegetables in here, guys. It's a very easy recipe. Here, take a look here. I have a basmati rice. I'll take at least 2 whole baking cups of basmati rice. We'll soak it just like that in the water. These are soaked basmati rice right here. Since it's a vegan recipe, we are not adding any yogurt to it. Otherwise, you can add, if you're not vegan, you want to follow the vegetable biryani, you can add some yogurt in here. At least I would say 5 tablespoons. I have a cauliflower. This is how I usually cut cauliflower. I take out the stem from the bottom. It's done. And now, just rough. Easy, right? And now you can just peel open this and put it in your biryani. You see this part? We just need this part. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Once you add the cauliflower, give it a mix. I would say 1.5 tablespoons of salt. We'll add half cup of water at this time right here. So our masala don't get burnt. Everything is calm now. Cauliflower, potatoes, bell peppers, onions, garlic, cumin, carom seeds, cinnamon and cloves, and 10 tablespoons of oil is right here right now. So vegetable biryani should have all the carrots. Vegetable biryani should have all the vegetables in here, right? Yummy. Look at this, the colors. Wow. Yummalicious, right? It's all vegetables, guys. It's all vegetable heaven we're dealing here. And still on the high flame. I just want to make a note right here. Alright guys, let's move towards, take a look here. What is this? So we will drain the water from the can and add your green beans actually. We have green peas as well. Here is our green sweet peas, and we just need half of the can in here. Right there. Perfect. Corn in here. Look at the vegetables in here. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Wonderful. Now it's a perfect time to taste test your masala, because the rice has to go in here and we'll cook the rice. These are our soaked rice. It's been just maybe 5 minutes. I soaked these rice, right? We just need to add the rice at this time. Okay, just like that. Just roughly, it's okay. These are 2 whole baking cups of basmati rice. These are all raw. We will take half cup of fresh water and just add it right here on top. Here is the trick now. Give it a rough mix. One pot vegetable biryani. You guys see, it looking good. Some mint leaves right here. Sprinkle some mint leaves on top. This is the food color you have to add. It makes it a little bit look good, but just spots. You have to put it on the spots, just like that. One spot is here. One spot is here. One spot is here. One spot is here. And one spot is here. Again, guys, you have to put this lid on top. Put it on medium-high flame. Okay, put it on medium-high flame. Let it cook at least for 10 minutes. Our biryani is getting cooked, right? The vegetable dum biryani. We have separate pan. We will add at least 3 tablespoons of oil, just like that in here. So we have this onion, right? We'll just put it right here. We will stir fry our onion until it's like brown, like really cooked. The vegetable pulao biryani, guys. I have stir fried our onions, remember? So here it is, right there. Let's take this right there on our main station, and this is after 12 to 15 minutes, guys. I'm opening the lid up now. Yes sir, look at this. So much stuff is happening right here. I'll put this right now on the side and take a look here. I just want to inhale this. Whew. I haven't added the ingredient. You guys will be like, the whole time it was right there. So this is like white mushrooms. They cook so easily, so quick. So I'm adding it right now, just like this. Just hand picking. If you guys want more, you can put this a lot. I'm just adding some mushrooms right here. OMG, our onion. You guys see? Just put this right here, right on top. This will just boost the whole recipe right now. So our all recipe will be infused. So this is the pan. I'm taking another half cup or quarter cup of water right here. So we need this onion flavored, oil in here. Mint, I'll still put some mint on. So have you guys noticed, I'm just layering this thing. So the first layer is the vegetable, the whole thing we cooked it. Now we layered with some mushrooms and some Put your stove onto simmer now. All the rice, all the vegetables, everything gonna get cooked in this steam. Put the lid on top, cook it for 15 more minutes. This is the best vegetable dum biryani pulao right here. Give me just 15 more minutes and you guys will be surprised with this delicious vegan recipe. You asked for vegetable dum biryani. Our vegetable vegan pulao is right here, guys. So here you go, guys. A beautiful and deliciously looking good. This is the first layer of this fluffy guy. Awesomely good. It smells delicious. This is it. It's all done. I've turned off my stove and this is what it is. This is the perfect biryani pulao recipe, guys. What a beautiful dish is this. Yummy, man. One pot recipe. It's delicious. Actually, one pan recipe and the fluffy rice right there. Then you're gonna believe me. Okay, here is the taste test. Let's check our potatoes. Potatoes are the hardest. So here it is. They are fully cooked. Here is our deliciously cooked. It's actually better tasting than many of the recipes I have made on the channel. Every single bite, every single ingredient has its own flavor in here. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. I'll see you on the next one. Healthy vegetable rice, healthy vegan recipe, so many names. Make this delicious pulao biryani of the vegetables and you will be amazed by the taste. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.